Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to download and install mods on Minecraft Java Edition. So, first thing you're going to do, as you see, load up Minecraft. Now, if you watch my latest video on how to get Minecraft for free, you'll know that I use T-Launcher, so it doesn't really matter what you use, but go ahead, click on Minecraft, and I believe you can only do this if you did my method on how to get Minecraft for free using T-Launcher, so go check that video out if you haven't already. Now, anyway, assuming you've already done that, you're gonna come to this page, and as you can see, I actually already have a mod installed, but I'll just show you guys anyway. TL mods, you're gonna click on that. It's just gonna load. It's loading up that page. I'll just wait for that to load, and I'll show you guys what to do next. So, yeah, as you can see, you got mods and mod packs. So, as you can see, all these mods, all you have to do is click install on one of these. As you can see, I've already downloaded these two, and any mods that you download will actually show up here. So you can click on them, and yeah, you click on them, and it's just gonna download. It'll take like 1 or 2 seconds, and then boom, it's that easy. And to prove to you guys that this actually does work, I'm gonna show you guys a mod that I already installed. The reason that I didn't download another mod is because I really like this mod, and the thing is, oh crap. I was just thinking that if I download another mod that it'll replace this one, but I just remembered, guys, you can actually select it back from the menu screen and all your progress will be on here. So I forgot about that, and yeah, whatever. I'll just show you guys the mod. So as soon as you download whatever mod you choose, it's going to bring you up to this screen, and it's actually going to take a little while to fully like download the mod, so you're just gonna be waiting on this screen for a while. Let's wait till this gets to a 7, and yeah, you guys can just skip past this part if you don't want to see it. So yeah, hold up. Alright guys, so as you can see, it is finished loading, and all you gotta do, click single player. I've already made a world, so just show you. You got multiplayer, you got all this stuff. I'm just gonna show you guys single player to show you guys that this mod is legit and that you can actually download mods, and it does work. So, as I said, you have to have T-Launcher downloaded for this, and if you don't know how to do it, and if you're still watching for some reason, go watch my other video on how to download T-Launcher. It's quite easy. So as you can see, we've got all this new stuff. Right. I actually did that. You got this stuff, and I'll just toggle game mode. As you can see, when you look in the chest, you have all this stuff over here, so you can see that the mod actually does work. If you go down here, you can see, scroll down, you can see all the new stuff that is added with this mod. This is just one particular mod that I'm showing you guys. There is lots more mods that you can download, so go check it out. And yeah, peace out.